Do you run display ads?
Oh yeah, 100%. So like there's three types that we can run. So sponsored products, sponsored brand, and then there's like one that's like video display and something else. I do not touch those anymore. I've tried. I've just burned money every single time.
Okay.
So brands, I'll do video, and it's not called display now. They changed it. It's something. It's called something. Yeah.
Display is the one. So I was. Sorry about that.
Those are my two. Like those is probably where I make the most money. I just love those.
I've been messing with the display ads because I have one book that does actually pretty well on those, and I've been trying to drive off Amazon traffic with those, and just have no luck with that. But I just wondering if you had any experience with that, or any thoughts on that.
The only off Amazon traffic I've like seen people work with is meta ads.
Yeah.
Right. So those are the only ones. But like I understand what Amazon's trying to do with that new type of ad to use for off Amazon. I just don't think it works well for books. Right.
Yeah, I did. I've had a weekend where it burned $200 just like that.
Yeah, like it gets clicks, but there's no conversions because they're not in the buying mindset, right? They're just seeing it on some vlog or blog or whatever. So yeah.
All right, thank you. That was super helpful. I'm just going to keep going through all your old content and start catching up on that. Thanks.
Awesome. See ya.